Students, welcome all of you for the business law class. In last class we already discussed about the offer and the essential of offer and the termination of an offer, and this class will see some case law under the offer. Okay, see the case law 2, Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. It was held in the 1893. Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. This case is related to an offer, may be specific offer or general offer. See, you just remember the essentials of offer. Sixth essential, an offer may be specific offer or general offer. Okay, under the essentials of offer, the sixth essential is an offer may be specific offer or the general offer. Means an offer may be for the specific person or for the general public. If it is for the specific person or maybe for the general public, it can considered as the offer. Okay, so under this case we'll see there was a company called Carbolic Smoke Ball Company which prepared a medical preparation called Carbolic Smoke Ball. There was a company, the company name was Carbolic Smoke Ball Company, the which prepared a medical preparation. That particular company producing the one type of medicine, okay, that called the Carbolic Smoke Balls. This company gave an advertisement in several newspapers that a reward of rupees 100 pound would be given to any person who contracts influenza after using the smoke balls according to the printed directions. Okay, this company gave an advertisement in the several newspapers that they are going to give one reward for 100 pounds would be given to any person who attacked the influenza. Influenza is nothing but is a kind of disease. Okay, fever or kind of disease after using the smoke ball according to the printed directions. After using this medicine, if any person is attacked by the some influenza, if they are going to give how much 100 pounds. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, Carlyle ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅವರೊಂದು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್. ಆ ಡಿಸೀಸಿಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಾ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀವರ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದರೆ, ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 100 pounds. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಾ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 100 pounds. ಓಕೆ, one Mrs. Carlyle used the medicine according to the directions but still contracted influenza. Okay, after seeing this particular advertisement, the one person called Mrs. Carlyle used the medicine according to the directions. She used the medicines according to the directions, but still she attacked by the influenza. Okay, she attacked by the influenza. So she demanded the award offered by the company. So she demanded for the award. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾರ್ಲಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಸನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಶಿ ಡಿಮಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಫರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನನಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೊ 100 pounds ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕಾರ್ಲಿಲ್ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ರಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ there was no communication to acceptance of the offer by Miss Carlyle. Okay, refused to give the reward. The companies refused to give reward by stating that there was no communication of acceptance of the offer by the Carlyle. The company is going to refuse the refused to give the reward for the purpose. Why? Because there was no communication of acceptance of the offer by Mr. Carlyle. Miss Carlyle is not accept the offer, so the company is not going to give the reward for that particular person. But the court held that she could recover the reward from the company on the ground that companies after through public advertisement amounted to a general offer, and a general offer may be accepted by any member of the public. Okay, under these two types of offer, general offer and specific offer. Specific offer means it's for a particular person, that person should accept that offer. But under the general offer, any person can accept that offer. The acceptance, communication of acceptance is not necessary under the ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫರ್ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅವನ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಫರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ದಟ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದಿ £100 ಟು ಫಾರ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಲಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ? ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ಎನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫರ್. ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ there was no need for communicating the acceptance as it was a general offer. Okay, remember one thing, it is a general offer, any one can accept this offer. And one more thing, under the general offer, no need for communicating the acceptance of the general offer given by the company. Company was then forced to give the reward of £100 to Mrs. Carlyle as was declared by it earlier. Okay, so company was court ordered the company to give the £100 to the Mrs. Carlyle as the declared by its earlier. Okay, this is about the case of Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. It was held in the 1893. Okay, under this, remember, this case is relating to the essentials of the offer. Under that sixth essential, an offer may be specific offer or the general offer. There was a company called Carbolic. There was a company, Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. They are producing some medicine for the disease of some disease, that is the influenza. It's nothing but it's a kind of the fever. Okay, so they are giving the advertisement in the newspapers that if any person contracts influenza after using particular medicine, they are going to give how much? £100. A particular person, Mrs. Carlyle, used that particular smoke balls, but she influenced by the attacked by the influenza. So she demanded for the reward, but the company refused to give reward because by stating that there was no communicating of acceptance of the offer by the Carlyle. So but court held that she could recover the reward from the company on the ground that company's offer through public advertisement amounted to a general offer, and a general offer may be accepted by any member of the public. Any can accept that particular offer. The court also held that there was no need for communicating the acceptance of the general offer. Under this, remember 2 points. Under the general offer, no need for communicating the general offer to the particular offerer. And one more thing is anybody can accept the general offer. There is no any condition. This is the case. Okay, we'll see the one more case under the next class. Thank you.